Hello, everyone, and welcome to the fifth week in our educational technology course. Last week, we've talked about e learning, and we really had an interesting, lively discussion, as usual, on the types and characteristics of e learning. So, you've learned about synchronous and asynchronous, you've learned about computer based training and flipped classroom. We have also compared what collaborative learning is um, versus cooperative learning. So we are not anymore going to elaborate on those concepts as your assignments would tell me that you really have understood those concepts very well from last week. So congratulations to all of you. For this week, we will be talking about learning management system, which is actually technology used for e-learning. It's actually a platform the teachers use to design a course structure so that students can assimilate or learn the lesson through the course structure that the teachers have designed, following all of the characteristics and delivery types we have learned from last week. So the learning management systems like Google Classroom that we are using has the capability to facilitate synchronous and asynchronous um, delivery types. It can also do linear learning. Um, uh, it allows teachers to also flip the classroom by designing activities that empower students to independently discover or learn the lesson for themselves. Um, and it allows the teachers to design activities where the students can collaborate and cooperate with each other. And I know that you know that because we have been doing that since the first week of our class in this course. So, um, Google Classroom is the learning management system platform that La Consolacion College Bacolod is using in our distance learning. But there are many other platforms like Canvas, there's also Schoology, and there's also Edmodo. These are the very common types of platforms. There's also such a thing called the Blackboard. If you a simple Google search would give you a really long list of platforms that people use now as their learning management system. So our goal for this week will be to talk about to really elaborate on understanding how learning management system works, what are the features of learning management system, what can teachers do, what can students do within the learning management system. And then we will be looking at what preceded or before all these things came into being, what happened, what technologies were created that led to what we have now as LMS platforms. So, this is also, again, going to be another exciting week. Uh, each group will have different topics to tackle this time. And I have already posted all the materials that you need for you to learn about this lesson for this week. See you all